amount of rivers that flows into estuaries and the sea. People often think that rivers flowing out to the sea is wasted, but in fact it's crucial for estuaries and for marine environments. Estuaries need fresh water, otherwise sandbars start to build up in the estuary and the estuary can backflood, which is obviously dangerous for people who live around the estuary. They also start to smell very bad if they don't have enough fresh water running into them. And nutrients in fresh water flow out to sea and help to sustain commercial and recreational fisheries.
The main product of this project has been to produce an atlas that contains maps illustrating where the freshwater ecosystem priority areas are in South Africa. With this atlas comes a DVD that contains data and a GIS viewer, as well as an implementation manual for these priority areas. Numerous scientific articles have also been published in various reputable international journals illustrating the work of this project. In addition, a diverse skills base has been developed in terms of freshwater biodiversity planning in South Africa. The uptake of this project has been absolutely remarkable. The Department of Water Affairs is already using the product to assist in reserve determination and water classification exercises.
We also conduct reserve determinations for the ecological importance and sensitivity. So the ecological reserve that we do in pilot areas, for instance, we have conducted ecological reserves in the Western Cape for Olifantsdoring area. We are also conducting an ecological reserve for the whole of the Vaal system, the upper, lower and middle Vaal. In that particular water management area, we are already experiencing issues around illegal use of water as well as water quality. And this particular project is making a contribution in that regard to assist the department in decision making when it comes to the issuing of water use licenses in particular. We also set resource quality objectives for the licenses that we issue, and this particular project again enables us to ensure that we not only set those resource quality objectives, but that they are achieved in the end of the day through compliance and enforcement measures that we will put in place from our side through, for instance, water resources monitoring and compliance to make sure that those objectives are met.
The Department of Environmental Affairs too are acutely aware of the benefits arising from using these maps.
The timing of this project is very opportune since we are in the process of the implementation of various pieces of legislation. I can think here of the listing of threatened ecosystems in terms of the Biodiversity Act, as well as the implementation of the National Protected Area Expansion Strategy, to which this project will contribute hugely.
But it's not just South African government departments that are benefiting from this work.
Endangered Wildlife Trust is a conservation organisation, and essentially